On this media platform, you can expect philosophical debates, reaction videos, plenty of lectures. From my research, my personal life and understanding, with a lot of this information, I have exceeded expectations academically. I do respect it, stand by it, and use it to inspire people to come across their own, come and realize philosophy for themselves. This is pertinent to our existence. And we see this in the unrest in the world today and the unrest in the world forever, since we have decided to ignore how important philosophy is. This is how you think. What do you think about what should we, and how does that impact you? This is exactly why all of the other arts are a part of philosophy. All of the sciences are a part of philosophy, because in order to make these decisions, we need information. In order to navigate, we must have an understanding of the scope of our existence. And so philosophy very much so requires empirical evidence. These are just generalizations that we can trust enough to continue life, at least as we know it. People want change in the world. When people learn how to think for themselves and to have meaning in what they say, the world will change. My name is Kamasi Hopkins. I am a philosophy major and psychology minor in Queens, New York. I am well versed in the Eastern as well as Western branches of philosophy, from the Akan wisdom to the Egyptian mysteries, the Roman, Greek, pantheons, Germanic, Jungian philosophy, perennialism. This wisdom has been attained through personal life experience from a very, very young age, deep philosophical conversations, and then later in life, deep personal study, as well as just in general, just living life and seeing for myself. And that is what I push everyone to do at the core of it: live life. I appreciate this opportunity to exchange information with you.